I can't believe I'm the wifey! Whoa! That's gonna leave a mark. But I'm too happy to care.
Me too! Oh boy. Opportunity coming through! Welcome home, honey pie!
Not just yet.
Oh, of course. Just give me a second. Is this enough? I've been saving.
Ha! It's fine. Give me that. Okay, in you go. Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Pushy, pushy. Oh my!
Like I said, good luck!
Wait, what?
That's not good.
Nope. Gah! What the? Sorry. Ah! Save me! That thing had a tail!
I can't! Okay, let me handle this. We just need a little separation between foot and floor. There. That's more like it. Nifty, huh? You good, bro?
Whoa! Did you make these? Just for me? I hope they fit.
Right foot?
Very nice. Whoa, I'm so high. I'm like a giant. Easy, easy. It's giving style, baby. Just look at these moves. Nothing furry's touching these feet.
Oh, happy to help.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Honey, there's something over there.
Still scared? I get it. Let there be light. Better?
What on earth?
This place is a pigsty!
Ah!
It's disgusting!
Stuff everywhere!
Junk on junk on junk! Are those clothes even clean?
It's gonna eat us alive!
Ew, ew, ew! It's never ending!
Well, it started with me.
Hold on, I gotta get in here. Ooh. How did this happen? Hold on, BRB. Oh boy. Okay, this is better.
Any laundromats around here? Oh, hello there. You have something for us?
What does it…
Oh.
Is that an armoire? Wait, what about that box?
Let's see. It's a pretty nice size. Which is good news for me. And luckily I've got lots of hot glue handy. There. First part done. Just a few more. And boom! Up we go. A rung and 2 doors. And we've got ourselves an armoire, folks! Can't forget the handles. This makes it perfect. Ready? Ta-da!
Big load coming in hot. And I've got plenty more coming. Progress, people. It's giving organized queen. And just like that, done. Impressed? There's literally a spot for everything. And you know what that means? No more mess. Nothing but clean and organized. So beautiful. Our first piece of furniture.
It's great, right?
Well done. Whoa. It's so beautiful. Wait a minute. Things are moving so fast. What day is it again? Ugh, too much! I gotta keep track. How many Mondays? Sundays? It goes by so fast. What month is it? Not right now. 23, 24… What? Another message? What is this? I sure could use a calendar. Ugh.
Come on, let's get out of here! Woohoo! Look how fast!
Hold up. Let me just adjust one thing. Got it! See?
Hey! What happened? Ugh!
You'll be okay. I have work to do. And the name of the game? Layers! Okay, next. This part is all about the details. And layers, of course. Great! Now put these 2 pieces together. And check this out! Hanging months and dates. No more mystery days for me. See? It's the 25th. My guessing days are over, people. What a relief. Hey!
Oh boy. What?
I made a calendar. Now we can keep track of the days. Pretty cool, huh?
Wow, this is incredible! Let me try. Wow.
Anyway, hungry?
Wait, burgers? Yes, please.
I thought you'd like this. Oh!
Well, that's not good.
Definitely not.
What can I make with this? Something fantastic, obviously. See how everything has a spot? Now we have a perfect balance.
Are you sure? How strong is it? Oh! It works! Introducing our new table! Lunch is officially served. See? Come and get it!
Wait! No! Don't sit! Phew. Close call.
What's up with you?
You deserve a chair. Just give me a sec. Ta-da! All these layers make it strong. Plus, it looks awesome, too. Wanna give it a try? Take a seat. Well, what do you think?
Feels pretty nice. I love it! Well done!
Only one thing left to do. Not with these. Cheers! Sweet, salty heaven.
Not bad at all.
Very nice. Oh, what's going on up there? Oh boy! Flowers coming in hot. Pretty. I know, but I can't just hand over some flowers. Yep. Wait, what's in here? Oh my! Directions! I got it! Time to fancy this vase up. Because plain glass is so boring. Am I right? Plain cardboard is not too exciting either. But I'll fix that. She's gonna love this thing. Especially with these gorgeous flowers. It's perfect. Hey, what do you think?
Huh? Is that for me? Look how beautiful these are! And that vase!
Yep, good looking out.
So sweet! I love you, I love you!
Oh, message received. And while we're at it, that's hardly ambiance. Come on! Nothing? Ugh. Ah! That's less than ideal.
Oh!
So much for romance. Bummer. Huh? What's going on over there? Hey, that's just it! I'm taking this into my own hands! Much better. Whoa! Check that out! Things are getting crazy out there! Oh! How will I ever give my girl a comment? Bad new hubby award goes to me.
Huh? What is it? Another message? Well, this is interesting. Oh, of course! I'm finally seeing the light! And soon, he will too. Light and love, baby! Just a couple easy steps. And boom! All done! It's just so simple. He's gonna love it. Honey, over here.
What?
I made us some ambiance. Oh yeah!
Whoa! That's incredible! Let's do this!
Get it?
Ha!
Take me away, honey! Our first dance as a married couple. So romantic. Take me in your arms. I'll take that. Worked like a charm. And it matches our decor, too. Perfect and purple.
Ugh, look at all this filth.
Tell me about it.
I want to see those bare walls. Ditto.
Finally.
So much potential.
So much.
Ugh. Excuse me? You think you're so important? I'm choosing inspiration. And a little imagination, of course. Let's keep on rolling. I'm getting a little dizzy here. Phew. Well done. And now, some color. And dip. Gorgeous. But you know what? I think bigger's always better. Done and done. And 5's better than 1. Finally, a place for all our knickknacks. Aren't we adorable? Hey, do you like?
Like? I love! It's us, baby! All of our things, our home, our past, present, and future. It's just perfect.
I'm so glad you love it!
Hey, look! Real gold!
No way! I found one too! It's… Hey, not cool! My coin! Huh? What's up there? Whoa! Are you seeing this? It's incredible! And it's ours!
I can't believe it! Look!
What's going on in there? Whoa! I see gold! I gotta get me some of that. Come on, let me in! Open up! Come on!
Woohoo!
Is someone at the door? Howdy! No thanks. It's fine. Where were we?
Yay! Best day ever! Best house ever! Best life ever!
Best marriage ever!
You can say that again!
Yeah, make it rain, honey!
Look at our beautiful space!
And it's all ours!
I love it!
Why stop at the cash? Look at this box!
My cardboard cutie!
Could I be any happier?
Watch out! Hey guys, it's Luna here. I'm back for another story time. So, this is my school.
Hot stuff coming through.
Kidding. It's just me.
Whoa.
I'm gonna show you a day in my life.
This is my chance. I need to look my best. Nothing can ruin this moment. Whoa! Luna, I'm sorry. Huh?
My bag!
Ah! Why are we screaming? I need to fix this. Just give me a second. I'll stick this here, a little cut there. And I made you a new bag. I hope you like it.
Whoa! I love it! Guys, you need to see this! It's the cutest bag ever! Say hi to Brian! I better get to class. See you around, Brian!
Huh? No, wait! Luna!
Another day, another dollar. But someone's gotta do it. Does this thing even work? Huh? What's that noise?
This is so much fun! Huh?
Welcome to my toy shop. Take a look around.
Isn't this the playroom? Whoa, check that out! There's so many toys! All my dreams are coming true! Where do I even begin? Shopping spree!
Woohoo!
I'll take this and this. I think that's everything.
I'll ring this up for you. You have expensive tastes.
I don't like the sound of that.
That'll be $1 million.
Huh?
It's a bargain.
That's a lot of zeros. Ugh.
Maybe I need to lower my prices. That's okay. How's this? Happy with that?
Oh, that's more like it. I can totally afford that. Can I pay by card?
What? No! We only take cash. See? There's the sign.
No problem. I'll just use the ATM. Don't look at my number. It's a secret. Hold on. This won't take long. I'll need some coins, too. Ah, that should be enough. These toys will be mine. Here you go.
Whoa! That was so cool! How'd you do that?
Come here, I'll tell you. All you need is cardboard. First, I'll sketch the slots. Then I'll cut them out. Next, I need a small square of cardboard. I'll cut grooves into it. Just like this. I'll apply glue to the ends. Not too much. Then I'll stick it around the slots. While that's drying, I can make my ATM card. I'll color a white piece of foam. I just need to make sure it fits. It should slide in and out. That looks about right. I'm happy with that. Now I'll flip the cardboard around. I need another small square of cardboard. I'll stick it to the edge of the slots. I'll do this all the way across. And I'll glue them in place. That looks good. Now I need a large piece of card. I'll roll it into a tube. I'll leave a small section at the end. Then I'll run glue over it. I'll put a line of glue here. I can seal the tube. I'll give it a gentle press. Then stick it to the cardboard. I'll put another square here. Now I need to make a box. I'll stick a large piece of cardboard on one side. Then I'll stand it up. The next piece will be the back. I'll use glue to keep it in place. Next I need to angle a piece of cardboard. I can add the final side. I'll roll up money and put them into the slots. Coins go in the tube. When the card goes in the slot, it pushes the money out. Like this. Then I just have to decorate it. Pretty cool, huh? It keeps all my money safe.
I wanna try it. You can work in the shop.
Huh?
And I'll take this. See ya!
What? Hey! This is it! No mercy!
Is that the best you've got? Take that!
Whoa! Oh no, you didn't! Attack! I've got you now!
Ah! Stop it!
Uh-oh, I'm out of water!
Huh? Where's he going?
There's only one thing for it. It's…
On guard!
I've been practicing. Check out these moves!
Let's do this!
You'll never beat me! Here it comes!
Duck! Phew, that was close. I need a shield.
There's no escape. I've got you now. Huh? Oh no! The plant pot!
What have you done?
It was an accident.
Mom is gonna be so mad. How are we gonna fix this? Wait, I've got an idea. First I need a strip of cardboard. Then I'll grab a sponge. I've soaked the sponge in water. I'll dab it over the cardboard. I want to get it nice and wet. That looks good. Now I can peel off the top layer. Next I'll take an aluminum can. I'll place it on the cardboard. Then I'll roll it. It's time to paint it. I can make it even better. I'll tie some string around it. It's a bright and colorful plant pot.
Wow! It's amazing! Now let's finish our battle!
Get back here! Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.